Your skin is hungry, and your achy joints are asking for help. Most store-bought rubs just mask the pain on the surface. They don't nourish the source. Coconut oil, beeswax, and shea butter. Here's a simple, deep nourishment ritual. Gently melt equal parts coconut oil, beeswax, and shea butter. Let it cool until it's a soothing, solid balm. Massage it slowly into tight areas. The warmth of your touch, plus these 3 healers, allows moisture to penetrate deeply. 35 to 50 seconds. This isn't new. These have been trusted for centuries to reduce inflammation and deliver healing right where it's needed. Your body deserves this kind of deep care. Save for when you need it. Try it, and tell me in the comments how your joints feel after.